What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. I'm going through a lot of grass, and as you can tell, we are right beside a major highway. I was here I think 2 months ago, and y'all liked it when I fished down here last time, so I'm going a little bigger profile than I usually do in here. This is a 3-inch Kitech swim bait. It's a sexy shad color. Take cast right there. See if anything will. Something's trying to hit it. There's a lot of little things hitting it. So I switched it up to a little Helgramite. We're gonna see what that does. A little slower. Oh, there we go. He had it for a second. I just didn't realize it. But we got a little smallie. First fish. Not too bad. Let's get him up here. Bow. That's not bad. It's not a bad first fish. A little smallie. Not too bad. I think that was my 4th or 5th cast. So they definitely want something a little slower. I think something's gonna hit it on this one. Oh, there we go. Got something. Oh, rock bass. Oh yeah, look at that. Second fish. Ooh, rock bass, not too bad. There's a good smallie. Got him. Got him. There's a bigger one in there. But we got that little smallie. All right. Doesn't seem real deep right there. Oh, got one. Here we go. That's a smallie. Yes. That's a good smallie. Not too bad. Look at that. Nice little smallie. I'm gonna put him back. Oh, am I getting hit? I think I was getting hit. Oh, I did get hit. There we go. I didn't know he came all the way over here. Look at this. Oh, he's not bad. He's pretty long, but not really big. Nice smallie. I love these kind of smallies. So if they were a little darker with that pattern, really cool. Oh, he ate that. No. No, no, no. Please hit it again. Please hit it again. That was a good one. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Got him. Got him. No, he came off again. No. No, that was a good one. Oh, there is a little smallie right here. Little guy. Got him. There we go. Little smallie. Woo. Oh, is it? Yeah. There we go. There, a little smallie. Put him back in his deep hole. Going through the jungle right now. Just letting you know. Got something. Got a fish. Got a fish. Whoa, look at this guy. Another little smallie. Not too bad. Ooh, toss him back. See what's out there. Oh, got something. There we go. What is that? A little smallie. There we go. Another little guy. A lot of things moved right there when I cast. Oh, something's trying to get it. Got him. Got him. He's not real big, but he sure is fighting. Look at that. Sure is fighting. Oh, it came out. No. Oh, something's got it. Something's got it. Yep. Oh, he just jumped. He's in the weeds right here. I got him. There he is. Nice. There we go. Another little smallie. Sun's coming out a little bit. It's been going in and out all day today. There's a lot of little smallies in there. Gotta get one of them. Oh. One tried to eat it. Oh, I think one has it. No, what happened? Got him. Oh, that's not bad. He might look bigger than what he is, though. I don't know how that happened. Oh, we got him, though. There we go. Another smallie. Yes. I don't know what happened there when I went to set the hook. All right, so we just tied on this little Rebel weed crawl. And I haven't tried this one out yet. And they kind of want to chase more than just kind of pick up. So we're gonna try it out. Oh, why does that hole low-key look good? I said I wasn't gonna go any further, but that hole looks nice. Oh my goodness, that was instant. That was instant, and then he threw it. I could pull a good fish out of here. A good one. Oh my goodness. I can pull a good fish out of here. Got one. Got one. Here we go. Oh, he's tummied up too. Look at this guy. He is tummied up. All right, I seriously am gonna take one more cast and then I'm out. Oh my goodness, I just broke my rod. How? How? No way. I just broke my rod. Well, yeah, that really sucks. I just broke my rod. It was a 6.6 beforehand. It's about a 5.11 rod now. And I've walked and fished a real good distance. The deep holes are just really spread out. I really want to catch a fish on this rod now since it's broke, see how it stands up. I bet the fight would be crazy. There we go. Got one. Got one. And yes, it's a little harder, but I'm also on a little log. Oh, I think that's like one of our biggest fish of the day too. Look at that. That's actually a little slab. Broken rod, but it can't keep me from catching a fish. Ooh, no, we ain't playing that game. No, sir. Ah, he just jumped off. Man, I was trying to get it out with my hands, but these are big trebles. Got one. Oh, it's a little bluegill. Got a little bluegill. I want to catch one or two more smallmouths before I get out of this creek. All right, so this is where I came in, this little trail right here. But I just want one more smallie or something before I leave. See if anything would come out from under this bridge. Did I get a little minnow? What is this? I barely even felt him. A little bluegill. Little bluegill. Whoop. Got something. That's a bass. Yes. On the broken rod. On the broken rod. That's a bass. Yeah. It's a little harder to get them, but we got them. Look at him. He's not bad too. And he had so much energy. Wow. Beautiful bass. I'm gonna set him right here. I'm getting greedy. Oh! Oh! Oh my goodness. He hit it immediately. Immediately. I'm pulling him over here because there's more. There's more in there. Woo! Always take that next cast. Always go around the next corner because you could get some nice fish. There we go. Well, that's going to be it for today, guys. I definitely saw this as a success. I still got to catch a good amount of smallmouth. Probably nothing big. I know it was a little cloudy today. I know it wasn't really as pretty as when I usually fish, because I like to do it on sunny days so that it looks better for y'all. But I just had to get out here today and fish a little bit, and I'm glad I did. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.